Welcome, followers of the Sea of Games channel. In this video we will explain SerfClick. This is a profitable site that pays money for viewing ads. The price per click on one ad is approximately 7 cents. This site is honest and you can earn up to $5 a day from it without any effort. In this video, we will explain to you the method of registering on the site, as well as the method of earning money from the site, and the terms of the account from the site. But before the beginning of the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alert bell in order to receive any new information on this channel. Also, do not forget to subscribe and follow our first channel on YouTube. You will find the link to our first channel below the video in the description box. You will find the registration link on the site below the video in the description box. As you can see, this is the SerfClick site. Here at the bottom you can change the language of the site. To register on the site, you must click on the register button here. Click sign up. To register an account on the site, here type the username you want. Here write your Gmail. Here put a password that you want. Here, place your Payeer wallet account. Then here click on verify CAPTCHA code. Then click register. After that, you will receive a message in the email, and then you must activate the account via the link that you receive in the email. After activating the account, click on login. Here write your Gmail. Here type in your Payeer wallet account number. Then click on verify CAPTCHA code. Then click login now. As you can see, this is the interface of the site. Here in the paid to click section, you can watch ads and earn money for watching ads. After clicking on the ad, you must wait for the countdown to finish. After completing the countdown, you will earn money and the money will be transferred to your account on the site. And you can follow the same steps and watch all ads in the same way to earn money every day. Every 24 hours new ads are added to the site. And here it is in the daily bonus section. Click Get Rewarded now to earn money. You can get daily bonus every 24 hours. And here in the referrals section you will find your referral link. You can promote your referral link in order to get referrals on the site, and you can earn cash points through referrals and also earn a percentage of the referrals profits. Here in the top up section, you can charge the balance of ads through your wallet in Payeer. The minimum amount for charging ads is $3. And to withdraw your profits from the SerfClick site, you must charge your account in the balance of ads $30 in order to be able to withdraw your profits from the site to your wallet in Payeer. Here in the withdraw, you can withdraw your winnings to your Payeer wallet. Here enter the number of funds that you want to withdraw from the site. Then click Withdraw. Click here to see the conditions for withdrawing from the site. As you can see, to withdraw profits from the site, you must have cash points. And 1 point equals $1. To get cash points you must get referrals. If you can't get referrals, you can charge the ads balance with $10 in order to be able to buy cash points from the site. After charging the ads balance with $10, click here on the exchange office to buy cash points from the site. As you can see, the price of 0.03300 cash points is $1. To buy 1 cash point, you need to pay $3 or $4 to buy 1 cash point from the site to withdraw profits. The third solution. If you can't get referrals and don't want to buy cash points from the site, you can charge the ads balance with $30 so that you can withdraw your profits from the site without referrals and without cash points. After charging the balance of ads with $30, you can withdraw your profits to your Payeer wallet without the need for referrals or cash points. In this way you can earn money from SerfClick. And if you want to withdraw your profits from the site, you must charge the ads balance with $30 if you do not have referrals or cash points. And this is where we finished explaining the SerfClick site. You will find the registration link on the website below the video in the description box. Finally, do not forget to subscribe to our first YouTube channel. And if you liked the video, do not forget to hit the like button so that the video spreads to everyone. For those who want to communicate with us, you will find our Instagram account and our Facebook page below the video in the description box. Thanks for watching and see you soon.